and it was completely impossible to get inside here today. On the 9th of May 2023, we have Klaarantie, Klaarantie 3 stickers A. We only need to get 2 stickers B here later. It's a bottom-driven Kone traction elevator, Kone manufacturers with 4 floors, built in 1987, possibly from the beginning of 1987, 35 years old in the last year, 2022. Temperature is 64798. Will be spectated next year, 2024, and this has 2 rides here. I love the interior and the smell in here.
Yeah.
It still feels very fresh. Has amazing sounds. And it's here in Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Helsinki, and Finland.
Inspektiivt vaikka vain sitten, että meidän teen pääsy on hissiurakkaan. Here in Lauttasaari, we still should have a total of 13 elevator steps to be finished as soon as possible at the moment. That's it.
And I'll try the chime.